He was there. But yeah, otherwise also for this shoot, she's not here. She wanted to be here for the shoot, but she had to go out again. She has helped me a lot. I think one of the reasons why I could come up with this entire shoot is because of Tanushree.
So any other plans to get collaborated with all the actors for any other specific film? ऐसे कुछ plans चल रहे हैं अभी?
Let's see. Hopefully something great turns out. But I don't want to talk about it right now. But obviously I want to work with good actors, big actors, nice stories and everything. So let's see.
Okay, talking about Bollywood films, ऐसे कोई actor या actress का जिसके साथ आप काम करना चाहेंगे? This is just your debut film, but later on, do you have to work on something?
See, I have never not thought कि I have to work with these many set of actors. मैंने just शुरू किया है. मतलब I have to do so many films in future. I want to work with everybody. In fact, I would want to know who wants to work with me. Like I would be more excited to know that because I've just started off.
So anything else you want to share with all the viewers, audience, anything?
I want to thank everybody for liking Drishyam, all the people who have messaged me and they have got in touch with me. Thank you so much for all the appreciation. It feels great as an actor when your work is appreciated. And also now I would want, because I want to talk about this photo shoot, about what we have in store, what's the look and everything. So I want you all to, speak to my stylists. I think they'll be able to tell you about the clothes and all. Something exciting. I want to do a photo shoot, something very different than what people have. Something very glamorous. So me, my sister, the photographer Niloy, and my friends who are stylists from Milan, we came together with this concept of doing this photo shoot. Something very fun, glamorous, with different kind of clothes that we're experimenting with, different kind of makeup and hair. So yeah. Good projects. We have a couple of scripts that we are reading, but definitely our next project, I want to find something very interesting because Drishyam has been such a widely liked film. So obviously the next film that I do, I want something where I play something even more stronger, which is more exciting. So let's hope for the best. Hopefully soon something is going to cook up. Yeah, my stylists, they are my friends from Milan who came for a vacation and I completely spoiled the vacation by making them work for me. That's Shaunak and Pranay, and they have been very sweet to plan this entire look for the past 1 week, and they are here with me today and I think they are very excited because one of the first shoots that they are doing in India, in Bombay as well. Okay, the photographers जो है वो मिलान से आए हैं, वो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं और वेकेशन के लिए आए थे, पर मैंने उनकी पूरी वेकेशन की धज्जियाँ उड़ा दी और उनको बोला कि प्लीज़ मुझे स्टाइल करो, बिकॉज उनका जो स्टाइल, उनका द वे दे स्टाइल मतलब बहुत ही अलग है, डिफरेंट है, एंड आई वांटेड टू डू समथिंग ग्लैमरस, तो बस उन्होंने मुझे हेल्प किया. दैट्स प्रणय एंड शौनक फ्रॉम मिलान. थैंक यू.
Thank you.